Alright, for today's project, guys, we're going to be making this bowl. So I pre-mixed all my colors offline. So I have a purple that we're going to use. I put that in here. Got the purple done. Then we got a light baby blue. Put that one in this one. And then we're going to have a deep forest green that we'll put in the last one. Alright, now that I got all my colors mixed into my bowl here, I'll just take this guy, just slowly, start pouring it in. Letting it make its own design. Sometimes you gotta squeeze the bowl to help get the resin to flow down there evenly. Then do a couple taps before you fill it all the way, because there are some spots that could get air bubbles in there. But squeeze that. Fill that all the way up. Just give it a little squish. Make sure everything is all nice and neat down in there. And the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the remainder of what I have in this one. This is a neat little mold that says I love you on it with some stars and hearts, and you can put a tea light candle in it. We'll just use the rest up. See what we come up with. The thing about using these multicolored mixing bowls like this, because you have no control over what the final design will be, which is pretty cool because you never know what it's going to come out like. So I'll just keep going until it's all out. You can stir it if you want, but I like to let the resin do its own thing. Um, Sometimes when I stir them, I blend it too much and I don't get the effect that I'm looking for. So that's done. We'll let these two sit. This one here, just grab a lighter and burn off any bubbles that come to the surface. So we'll do is leave those dry for 24 hours, and then we'll come back and demold. See you then. All right, so these have been sitting for 24 hours, so they're nice and solid now. Yeah, we'll start with this one first. This is the heart that holds a tea light candle. So let's see what it looks like. I really like this mold. I got this mold off of Temu, really cheap. It's got the moon, stars, and it says "I love you" down there. So that's what it looks like. It turned out pretty neat. like the slight hint of purple that's in there. So that's that one. Curious to see how this one turns out, because sometimes, yep, I got some bubbles. I can feel it already. Sometimes here, if you don't get it down far enough, you get bubbles. This one's always a pain in the butt to get out, but we'll get it out. There we go. Turn it into, there we go. We got it. I really like this one. This one's got some really pretty shine to it. Turned out real nice. Got some bubbles, but they're on the bottom. Not like you can really see them. Actually, I'm surprised because it felt like the tops were going to have bubbles. The points were going to be missing, but they're not. So these are the two pieces that I made from the 3-colored pour. The exact same stuff, and you can see how different they turned out. So, like I said, we got this guy here. It's really neat. You can put paint inside there to have them pop out, which is something I might do. And then you got this guy here. That turned out really, really nice. I like making these little bowls. My wife uses them to put her jewelry in. She has some on her counter that she uses to put hair pieces in. So they're very versatile bowls. You can use them pretty much for anything. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and I'll see you for the next one. Have a good one.